James Marshall founded Marshall Mattress in Canada in 1900 with his patented invention of the pocket coil spring mattress. The Marshall pocket coil design revolutionized the mattress industry worldwide and continues to be the most trusted mattress style produced. Today, Marshall Mattress continues its high standard of excellence producing handcrafted pocket spring mattresses. Its designs cater to customers' needs, addressing many kinds of sleeping environments with proper full body support and pressure-relieving comfort throughout. What sets Marshall Mattress apart is that for over a century it has combined the best of its handcrafted assembly techniques while incorporating technological advances that enhance the quality of its mattresses. Marshall Mattress continues to use the best materials and hand assembly methods to produce the finest quality pocket spring mattresses for our customer and their sleeping needs.